Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you how to styling your picture on Capcut application. So here I already opened my project that contain the pictures on it. So I already have this picture, and let's do styling this picture. So to style this picture is quite easy. You just need to go click the clip, and there will be pop up here as style sections or style tools. You just need to go click it, and there will be like a lot of styles that you can apply into your pictures. If you want to make a shaking pictures, if I go click into the camera shaking, and this picture will be shaking automatically. There we go. But then if you want to have a 3D zoom, you can also jump into the next part, which is this 3D zoom pro, and your video will be moved like a 3D. So that's the way how to styling your picture on a Capcut, guys. You just need to follow all of this instruction, and if you want to find or discover more about the style you can apply in the picture, you just need to go into sections by sections. So it will be like give you a lot of reference to styling your picture, and whenever you're done, you just need to click this checklist button. So that's the way how to styling your picture on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial is really get you so well. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.